What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update, man. If you guys peeped the last video, man, you guys already know we won a freaking ride. Finally, let's hear it. Yeah. Thank you. Anywho's, we're on our way to go pick up the new buy. It's a nice Honda Accord 2-door, sunroof, leather interior. Looks really good. The mileage is a little bit higher than most. However, we did get it for a good deal. I'll display all that once we get there and get everything situated. Let's go pick it up and see if we got a deal or not. Let's peep it out. Alrighty, guys, we finally made it back to the old fabulous tow truck company auction, one of my favorite auctions in town. We won something today and I see it. Definitely won a cool little car from what I see, so let's check it right out, shall we? Needs a jump. Oh, okay. That looks pretty good too. So this is it, guys. It's a 2002 Honda Accord, 228,000 miles, guys. We won this today for $750 after taxes. It came out to $841. Does look really good. Has a little bit of fade in paint. We'll just get this thing started. He's gonna help me get a jump really quick. Oh, and we got a radio. That's cool. Let's see. See if we can get a start up. Alrighty. Got it started up. No lights on the dash. That's A1. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. All right, we'll check this out once we get outside of the gate. We won't turn it off or nothing like that. We'll just hop out and show you guys in a quick sec. But man, does look and feel, I guess. First glance, first ride, I guess, seems really legit, guys. Okay. Alrighty. Looks pretty good. Feels pretty good. We're gonna see exactly. Just take you guys a walk around it really quick before we get into it. Check all the fluids and stuff really quick. Okay, so this is gonna be an issue. That looks like, I don't know if the hood's open already or not or what. Pretty sure he didn't close it all the way. But this is it, guys. Let's just make sure everything is everything. Do we got antifreeze? Could use a little bit more antifreeze in there. I got some at home. Should be enough to make it there. But we'll just check it out and see. Yeah, it's pretty much bone dry, guys. So we want to get some antifreeze in there super quick. So we don't want this thing running all day. Just gonna have to hop in it, get to the house, and hope for the best, man. Let's see what's good. Okay, so the hood doesn't close all the way. For the most part, it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. However, we want to hurry up and get it to where we need to get it to before anything happens. Pretty good looking running car. Alrighty, guys, first drive. It's a pretty cool car. Definitely will need probably like a wheel alignment of some sort. Definitely could use a wheel alignment. Other than that, it feels pretty smooth. Brakes are pretty decent as well. Let's get that seat belt on so we can get that light off on the dash. But it's looking really good, guys. I mean, the interior is really great. So far, I mean, I only drove it, not even a block yet, but does seem to be running pretty good. Really just need some antifreeze before I can really feel comfortable with this thing. I don't want to get no overheating, because it does look like it's in the middle now. I mean, it hasn't been started in forever. All right, guys, I kind of stepped on it a little bit, and this thing is freaking shifting really good, guys. It's a really good car. I just wish the alignment was on point. Other than the alignment itself, man, it's a really good driving car, seems to be. Let's see. What's that noise? I know you guys heard that. You know, I hope it's nothing wrong, but you know, we'll see. And it's kind of hot in here, guys, so let me show you guys this freaking sunroof. We got it working. You know, this thing is gonna be top dollar when I get done with it, man. I'm about to clean the heck out of this thing, maybe today or tomorrow. Get this thing all cleaned up and ready to go get an alignment of some sort, and this one should be pretty much done and good to go. Now, honestly, it feels like a screw or something is out this front seat right here, because like literally when I lean back, it feels like it's a rocking chair type. Just a little bit though, like it's probably only missing like one screw in this chair. Yeah, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, this thing is freaking running pretty good right now, man. Pretty good, and we got a nice radio. Alrighty, guys, we finally got this thing back to the house, man, and let's fill this thing up with some antifreeze and check all the fluids. Feel me? And then I'll give you guys a quick little walk around, see the stuff that you didn't get to see. This bumper is a little bit damaged right here. Nothing crazy. The tires are pretty good tires. Pretty good tires. The brakes are good. Let's open this thing up. Alrighty, so before we do anything else, let's get this antifreeze filled up, because that thing was pretty low. But I mean, everything else looks to check out. We got to get all this stuff off the window and get this thing ready to be sold. Get a car wash on this thing, get some Armor All on this joint as well. And this thing is gonna look pretty clean, man. Pretty new. Really great riding car, more or less. I'm gonna show you guys the inside really quick. Does look really good. Nice black leather interior. What's this? There we go. So now you guys can see the back. Could be detailed out really good, which we're gonna get done today. I don't know what's up with this seat, but we'll see. And then we pop the trunk on this joint. See if we got a spare tire or anything like that in here. Okay, we do got the spare. That's a plus. What else we got in here? Nothing else. We don't have nothing else in here, but that's fair enough. That's fair enough. Does look really good, man. So let's get that that coolant in there and move from there. Alrighty, guys, we got that antifreeze in there. I know you see it pretty much filled up now. You can see, I know you see that bright green juice up in there. We got the antifreeze in. We got all the details of the car off the window, so nobody won't know this is an auction car in my complex. Does look really good, guys. What do you guys honestly think about the car and the price I got it? What do you guys think about it? It's not even washed up or cleaned or nothing yet, so you guys already know. When I throw my touches on it later on today, or in the next video rather, it's gonna look like way cleaner than this. So I don't know, guys. I'm pretty excited with the buy. However, it's a few little things that are wrong with the car. Like when you close this hood all the way, it doesn't click and latch down for some odd reason. But I mean, all the fluids, I checked all the fluids. I should have did it on camera, but all the fluids and all that is A1. Nothing really that stands out. We'll need probably a new battery or some sort here pretty soon. Well, pretty soon. I don't even think it starts without the battery. being jumped. But we'll actually get these headlights. We'll be getting these headlights super clear, getting those taken care of, as well as that headlight as well. So this thing is gonna look pretty good when we get done with it, guys. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. You guys seen the car. Got it for a really good price. Does look really good, to say the least, for what we got it for, of course. I'm glad it turned out to be not really, little to nothing is wrong with the car. Nothing at all. Drives really good, shifts really good. The alignment is off a little bit. We're gonna need an alignment, a battery. We're gonna need to get those headlights, cleared up. And then I remember, now that I'm thinking about it, this seat, I don't know if you guys can hear that or see that. This seat is like not all the way bolted down or something. I don't know. I guess everything is bolted down because I don't see any bolts out of the norm that's out. But let's try to start this thing up. Kind of doubt it'll start, but okay, so this isn't the key, I don't think. They gave us like so many keys, guys. So this one is not the key. You can try this gray one. Battery's totally dead. Not enough juice to start the battery, man. So we'll have to go get another battery for this thing, just so we can be confident in what we're riding in. If we want to turn it off or anything like that, we'll be comfortable enough to start this thing up and turn it off and do whatever we need to do. But so far, I mean, you can turn that off, save some battery. It's pretty legit, does look pretty cool, has a nice sunroof that works as well. So yeah, guys, I think I got a pretty good buy here today.